I'm Stéphanie from learnfrenchwithstephanie.com. Le, la, les, un, une, des. Let's talk about it. French nouns are either feminine or masculine. Unfortunately, there's no rule to say such thing is feminine and the other masculine. So, I advise you to learn the nouns with their articles. It will help you to memorize the gender of the nouns much more easily. Today, in this video, you learn the French articles and I explain to you how to use the definite and indefinite articles in French. Let's go! Definite articles are le, la, les, and L with an apostrophe. Le. We use le for masculine nouns. For example, le chien. La. We use la for feminine nouns. For example, la maison. L with an apostrophe. We use L with an apostrophe before a vowel or H, whether masculine or feminine. For example, l'équipe, l'herbe, les. We use les for plural nouns, whether masculine or feminine. For example, les chats. Definite articles are used to talk about something known, unique, and identified. For example, la Tour Eiffel. It's known and unique. Le Stade de France. It's the biggest stadium in France. It's known and unique. Les chaussures de Léo. It's identified. These are not just any shoes, these are Léo's shoes. L'enfant avec le t-shirt jaune est mignon. Is identified. It's not just any kid who's cute, it's the one with a yellow t-shirt. The definite articles are also used when talking about a generality. For example, la musique, the music in general. L'amour, the love in general. Definite articles are also used with verbs aimer, détester, préférer, and adorer. For example, j'aime le chocolat. Je déteste les poireaux. Je préfère l'ananas. J'adore la soupe. Indefinite articles are un, une, des. Un. We use un for masculine nouns. For example, un chien. Une. We use une for feminine nouns. For example, une maison. Des. We use des for plural nouns, whether masculine or feminine. For example, des chats. Indefinite articles are used to talk about something unknown and unidentified. For example, une tour. We don't know which tower it is. It's a tower among others. It's unknown, then we use une. Un stade. We don't know which stadium it is. It's a stadium among others. It's unknown. Then we use un. Des chaussures. We don't know who the shoes belong to. Then we use des because they are unidentified. Indefinite articles are also used with verb avoir. For example, j'ai un chien. J'ai des lunettes. Now it's your turn. In the comments, write a sentence in French including definite articles and another one including indefinite articles. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you again for a new lesson. See you soon. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bye bye. The next step is to download my free level test and my free ebook, 5 Steps to Becoming a Confident French Speaker. You learn what you need to do to speak confidently and fluently. Thanks so much. Bye. Au revoir.